Install the heavy-duty spring. Jack up the car, place it on stands for safety while maintaining just enough jack pressure without lifting the car. First, remove the factory springs. Remove the nut, washer, and bushing from the shock on the bottom factory U-bolt bracket. Then push the shock upward and out of the way and save the hardware for later. Remove the nuts from the bottom factory U-bolt bracket. Then remove the factory U-bolt from the bottom factory U-bolt bracket. Save the factory U-bolt and hardware for reinstallation. Remove the bolts from both ends of the factory spring mounts. Save the hardware. And remove the spring. Factory spring removal is complete. The heavy-duty spring is recommended when installing a rear seat kit. Before installing the heavy-duty spring, first install the supplied rubber bushings over the brass tubes. Then insert the assembly in both ends of the heavy-duty spring. A rubber mallet and a touch of lubrication is recommended. Note: if the shaft of the hex bolt on the spring protrudes above the nut, grind it down until it's flush with the nut. This results in a better installation fit. Install the heavy-duty spring below the axle the same way the factory spring was before removal. Loosely secure both ends of the spring to the spring mounting points using the saved hardware. Align the hex bolt on top of the heavy-duty spring to the axle bottom hole. Then swing the bottom factory U-bolt bracket up to align with the hex bolt under the heavy-duty spring. Next, pull the shock back down into the bottom factory U-bolt bracket and secure lightly with the saved hardware to prevent it from popping out of alignment with the hex bolt. Reinstall the saved factory U-bolt diagonally over the axle and into the bottom factory bracket. Use the saved hardware to fasten the heavy-duty spring to the axle. Then go around the new installation and fasten the hardware on spring end mount points and shock. Repeat on the passenger side. Finally, put back the factory wheels or install DoubleTake Deluxe wheels. DoubleTake, because looks matter.